Do I or don't I put the mud guards on the Ram 3500 straight pipe? Do I do it? How will it look? Follow me along. Now, anybody knows it has a big truck with big tires. How does this all play out? When you got these big tires just throwing rocks all down the side of the truck. And that's why I'm debating, do I do it or do I not? With these Husky liners, mud guards. And what the real question is going to be, is going to be up front. It's going to be up here. When I turn the wheel, will that create a problem? That's my concern. In the back, not so concerned. So let's just see how this mud guard kit fits in this truck and how does it look? Does it take away the look? Does it give a better look? Let's see. All right, let's eyeball it and see how it looks here. Put it up in there and not too shabby. But I'm just concerned this tire's gonna hit it. I'll tape it up before I put it on. How about that idea? All right, now let's check out the back and see how this looks as well. Everything lines up really well. And look there. The doggy there next to me, right? How about that? I think it's good. Like it. Okay, having the right tools makes your life a lot easier. This is just an 8mm. You look at here, we got 2 holes. There's to take these 2 right here. Now if you look here, see this is getting all chipped up. Okay, it's got a little sticky thing on it. I'm going to use my turbo heater here, kind of heat it up a little bit, so that'll make it a little more sticky when I attach it to the truck here. All right, so now we're just gonna put it up here, line up the holes, and hopefully she kind of sticks on her own there for a second. Does she? Yeah, look at that. All right, we just take our screws, put our screws back in. It's really simple, nothing hard. It's got a 3rd hole here. I don't know if we really need that or not. I don't know if I really want to do that. I'm going to kind of feel this out first before I start drilling the holes. And this gun is just so cool. See this right hand attachment? I mean, it just makes it so much easier when you go to do this. I'm even doing it one-handed. Can I get it on there? Can I do it? Can I do it? Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? They just... yeah. Wow, skirt. I mean, I don't know why you want to have a 3rd hole here. No reason. This thing is so rock solid. It's pulling this away. Now the question is, when I turn the steering wheel, there's going to be the trick right there. That'll be the deal breaker, unfortunately, probably. All right. Let's see what happens here. If I turn the wheel other way. Not bad. I'm feeling all right. Well, that's it right there a little bit. Yeah, actually, that's it. I'm gonna rub a little bit. In all reality, that thing came off. Ain't the big deal breakers. Look at that there. Not too shabby, huh? All right, now let's take all of our tools, light, and our gun, and go back here and clean this up. And the same thing, you just kind of start seeing how this is all getting shipped up. This is where this right hand attachment is so awesome. See that? Otherwise, you can take this tire off or get your ratchet out and do it by hand, which will take you forever. If you do it this way here, it's just so much more easy. Wow, it's really incredible how these older model trucks are so much easier to do things. I mean, this here, this is like nothing. When I work on my Ford trucks, newer vehicles, putting these mud flaps on is a major freaking project. This is the fastest job I've done yet to put mud flaps on. Look at this. Bing, bam, done. I mean, good Lord. I think it looks good. I think the truck looks really good. I like it. All right, same thing over here. Pop the 2 lower screws off and got our mud flap. We'll peel off this little sticky thing and heat it up with a turbo heater over there. And bing bam done. I mean, blown away. Fastest I've ever done mud flaps in any vehicle I've ever owned. Crazy. Okay, front one's on. I think it's gonna rub. Look, you can see something's gone up front here. But you know what? It's just plastic. If it gets a little ripped up, I'm not really that worried about it. Stuff ain't that expensive. But let's just check it. Turn the truck on and look at it. Oh yeah, that's it's gonna rub a little bit, where you can get a little crazy as you back up. It's there, pretty flexible. We'll find out. Right to the back, to the jet engine. Look at this thing. It's like a jet engine. Oh, it's toasty warm. All right, same thing. Pop off the 2 screws in the back. 2 screws line up. They got another, did they? Okay, good. For some reason I thought they had another, well, they do have a 3rd hole. You don't need it. It's overkill. And once again, having this right-hand tool, you're not going to get in here like this. Otherwise you're going to get your little ratchet. You can do that, but this is just so much faster. You get one of these little right-hand tools in any store. Nothing unusual, really. You see what I'm talking about here? See that? Hey everybody, I am finished up on the Ram 3500 2014 model Mega Cab, and you can see here, kind of blends in with the darkness here, but I put the mud flaps on from Husky Liner. And if you're curious about the product, this is the product. 58186 mud guards. It shows you the years that it runs through, front and rear mud guard set. I think this thing was like 80 bucks maybe. I can't remember. I ordered these things actually a while back. I just haven't had time to focus on this. Just too many other things to focus on, like cool-ass cars, cool-ass motorcycles, running my business. But anyways, here it is. Finished product. Really simple. Can't emphasize enough if anybody out there has the model years up to 18. I would put these on your truck. It's not hard at all. And if you get this special right-hand tool that I just showed you through my video, you're going to be really happy because this is just so cool. This little thing here. So, hey, you're watching Ice Age TV, and hit subscribe and look for more information, videos, and other things that I like to talk about and share in my car truck addictions. Yeah, addictions. And everybody's waiting on my electric truck. I like that too. The Ice Age. Am I going to be the EV age? No. Okay, thanks for watching.